In this video, I'll show you how to format cells in Monday.com. Start by opening the board where your tasks or project data are stored. Once the board loads, look across the top row to identify the column you want to work with. For example, you may have status columns, date columns, number columns, text columns, or priority columns. Let's start with the status column since that's one of the most commonly formatted cell types in Monday.com. Click inside any cell under the status column. A drop-down menu will appear with different colored status labels such as done, working on it, or stuck. Select the label that matches the task status you want to display. As soon as you select it, the cell color will update automatically. If you want to customize those labels, click inside the same status cell again and select Edit Labels. From there, you can rename the labels and change their colors to better match your workflow. For example, you could rename a label to High Priority and assign it a red color. Now let's look at date columns. Click inside a date cell. A calendar picker will appear where you can select a specific due date or deadline. Once selected, the date will display automatically in the cell using the board's date format settings. You can also improve formatting visually by organizing columns properly using color-coded status and applying conditional formatting or automations where available. Proper formatting makes your boards easier to read and helps teams quickly identify important information. And that's how to format cells in Monday.com.